everyone, back in another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a video. I'm sorry I haven't been doing a lot of videos. Just keep watching and you'll see like a lot of videos coming up. But guys, I finally got my new phone fixed. I'm so happy. I got it for Christmas. But I have a special guest with me, and she my sibling, and she's my sister.
Hi.
So today she will gonna be, if you see the title, she's gonna be picking my slime ingredients, and we're gonna pick 10. And the 10 that we use the first round, we can't use the second round. But exception only, so we can use the second round is the staff flow and the crazy art glue, and that's it. That's just to activate just the staff flow and the clear glue. So yeah, I'm gonna have her pick my slime ingredients while I close my eyes. Don't mind my hair. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn part of the slime squad. Hit the bell so you become others, so you can see videos every time I post. So let's get started. So right now I'm gonna put my thing on my face, and she's gonna put them right next to me, and I'm gonna be blindfolded, so I have to see, or I could see, but I'd rather not be blindfolded. And then after that, I'm gonna take the blindfold off and do the slime. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry. This is just real quick, so I really don't care however I do it. So, okay, so Mario, go. Just pick them from over here. Pick them from over here. Go. Go. Where you at? Where you at? Like, pick 10 ingredients.
Shaving cream.
I can't see. Like, you gotta literally come pick 10 and put them right here. Stand up and pick them, like, over here. I'm so nervous. Is that 10 or no? Is it 10? I don't know what this is. Ow! It's 10? Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. Well, I have to get the glue because like she didn't have no glue. So yeah. So this is it too? Oh wow. Let's do this. Okay. So let's do the glue. So first I'm gonna start putting my crazy art glue, and I'm not gonna put too much. Just because I'm gonna add a lot of shaving cream, and I love shaving cream. So I will be using this and the other rounds. We're doing 3 rounds. So this is the first round. So the next thing.
So I can be in this video. And
Wait, can you wait? Don't mind her hair. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna mix with this, I guess. So I added my glue. Hope you can see it. The next thing I'm gonna add is probably my yellow acrylic paint. She gave me yellow. Is that supposed to be a bad thing, guys? How much do you want me to add? All of it? All of it? Look how mean my sister's being mean to me. Oh, let me fix my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna mix that. Ooh, this looks like mustard. It was like a glass bowl in these spoons, so that's why you hear it. Bye. Ooh. She got like 2 activators. So the activator I'm gonna pick is staff flow. So on the next I'm gonna put these little sprinkles. Put all of them. I'm not putting all of them. That's good. Thank you. Okay, so I'll put them over to the side because it's ones I'm not going to be using again. Mix that. This is looking okay. Really not. But okay. Come on, glitter glue to come out. And it's gold. Maybe it's gonna be a New Year's slime. So yeah, here it is. Now, some Dove Damage Therapy, whatever it's called. This is like some lotion. Foam balls. Great. Now, guess what that means, guys? I gotta literally open them. I hope I don't make like open them the wrong way. Because last time I opened them the wrong way. And it was not okay. Like, it was not okay. Trying to open them a good way. Thank you. I opened them the right way. How much will me add? Will me add half in here?
10.
10? How am I count 10?
You know how to count.
Oh my god.
Great,
So guys, now I'm going to assume that I have to count 10 foam balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You can add all of it if I care.
I did half, guys. Like, no way I'm going to count 10. But like, she said I could add half. She said add half or 10. So I just added half. You know me. I hate adding a lot to my slime. But I'm not even going to make a lot of slime. Look at that. I hope it's a beautiful slime. Because, like, I literally is so not excited for whatever the next round. I hope they're better than this round. So now I'm just adding some of this foam if it comes out. What in the world? I guess you see that. Sit up, guys. You gotta sit up. Like, yes. Oh my god. Really? This is gonna be so off. Sugar plum candle? That's gonna be so off. Like, sir, that's gonna be literally off. But I'm gonna just scrape that much. I do a little bit more though. Shoot, that's one. Okay. I added in there. I'm so happy because I knew it. I thought I knew she was gonna pick an ugly color. Ooh, this slime is not really looking bad. I guess I can call it banana split. You may add all half of each of these sprinkles in my slime, huh? Add all half of these sprinkles in my slime.
Half, man. That's not hitting me.
Sorry guys, she's on her phone. But I had half. Okay, I'm adding the orange. That was a lot. I'm so... Oh, it's dyeing my slime. Ugh. Shaving cream time. Oh, wow. Great. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to add some staff flow. I add a drop. Because this, I added a little. So, yeah. I'm mixing it. Shaving cream time. Hopefully, it comes together. And then, guys, I'm hoping this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Okay, so I'm mixing and it's coming together. Guys, do you see how I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream because I want mine to be really fluffy. She didn't say I can't add a lot of shaving cream. She didn't say it. So I'm gonna do it. Guys, I really hope this video gets to 1,000 likes. Because... Come on, shaving cream. You gotta be fluffy. Guys, let me know what color. I know you think it's gonna be yellow. But let me know how. Do you think it's gonna be overactivated, stretchy? In the comments down below. Like, please. Help me out. I'm gonna put that over there. Not too much shaving cream. I think that's good. I'm not gonna add no more then. This slime is gonna be really fluffy. And guys, I'll have to do another round, like later. So, after this video. What? It's turning out really. It's not that bad. Do you think this is bad? Do you guys think this is a bad slime? Do you think it's bad? I don't know. It could be bad or good. I don't think it's bad. But do you guys think it's bad? But here it is. It is a yellow with foam bubbles. And let me know, what should I name it? Should I name it after my sister? Or not? It's kind of sticky, so I'm going to add some shaving cream. I need to stop adding a lot of shaving cream. But nothing's wrong with adding shaving cream. But, yeah. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for this video. Bye, guys. Love you. And please subscribe. Become part of the Slime Squad. Bye, guys.